everybody, it's your girl Aj back with another YouTube video. Today I am coming to y'all with a haul, y'all. So it's like fall time right now. I mean, kind of sorta in Texas or whatever. It's like hot and then it gets to be like cold and then it like switches. So I don't know what it's doing right now, but all I know is I'm gonna be rocking my sweaters, okay? So I bought 5 sweaters from boohoo.com. This is like my second or third, I think it's my second time ordering from this website, and I got 5 sweaters, y'all, for like $60, like total, not bad at all. So I'm just gonna get right into it. I want y'all to see these sweaters. It's the fall season. Get into it, y'all. So here is the very first sweater. Okay, so what I'm first gonna say is online, when I made this purchase, the sweater was red. This is definitely like a rusty burnt orange color, but it's okay. It's still fall looking. I love it. I love the color, so I'm not mad about the color. But when I did see it online, it did say, and the color that the model was wearing was red. But yes, y'all, get into it. This is a knot in the front sweater with pearls. But the only thing about this is the if you have very long arms, which I don't, it's short on you. The sleeves stop right here, which is nice if you're wearing a bracelet or a watch. It won't matter. But if you have much longer arms, your sleeves are probably going to be short, a little bit short. Also, if you have ta-ta-ta-ta-tas like me, this is very low cut. So if you're not comfortable with that either, you can always, you know, I tried to put something under it, but it's not working. But you can always, you know, pin it up, put a nice little brooch or something there, tie it, pin it up or whatever. But super cute. Definitely sweater material. It's not anything weird. It's not itchy. So this is a 2 thumbs up for me. I love this one. Bow down, sweater number 2. So y'all, this is gonna sound crazy, but this legit is probably one of my favorite sweaters out of the collection. Yes, I know it is a plain gray sweater, but y'all, listen, I live for an oversized heather gray sweater. Like, first of all, I love heather gray in sweaters. Like, it's just so comfy looking, and it is comfy. Like, the sleeves are long. Like, I have short arms, but the sleeves are kind of long on me. It's just kind of oversized, you know. It's open neck, kind of like not really low cut, but it's open neck. Great if you plan to wear a statement necklace. Great if you have like short hair or shorter length hair, and it's long. Like, I don't know if y'all can see how long it is, but it's long. It's oversized. You can wear this with a pair of leggings. You can wear jeans, but leggings and some boots. Y'all, I should have got 2 of these. So like one that I can actually wear out in public, and one that I can like lounge around the house in with a pair of leggings on and some socks and be comfy. Like, I love this, y'all. It's thick, but it's not like too thick where I'm gonna be burning up. It's perfect. Like, it's perfect sweater material. But like I said, I live for an oversized sweater. Like, love this one so much. And with a statement necklace, like, this is great. This is speaking my language here. This is my love language. Heather gray, oversized sweater, comfy. Yeah. Okay, to the next one. Sweater number 3. Hey y'all, look at the color of this sweater. When I say this screams poppin', like, the sweater showed up this color online and I was like, that is the most beautiful color purple I've ever seen in my entire life. But when I get it, it's not gonna look like that. Like, it's not gonna look like that in real life. Just like how that burnt orange was red online. I just knew that when I got this sweater, it wasn't gonna be as vibrant as it was online. But y'all, and I don't know if this is picking up on camera, it is vibrant. Like, oh my God, it's beautiful. So let's get into it. So this sweater, vibrant purple. The sleeves, y'all know I always got to talk about the sleeves. The sleeves are perfect. They're kind of long, but they're not long. They're perfect. Like, this is a perfect sleeve. This sweater is shorter. It's one of the things that I'm not crazy about. Like, I don't like short sweaters, or I don't like crop sweaters, or anything like that. And this one kind of like is a little like more poofy on the sides. So I'm trying to hide this. I ain't trying to make it look more poofy right there. So yeah, but I mean, no, it's still cool. But this is a higher neckline, if y'all can see. It's a little bit more like open neck and like shoulder area, like, but it doesn't like, it isn't low cut. So if you don't like anything, if you don't like your chest or anything out like that, this is perfect. But instead of a like V-neck in the front, V-neck in the back, honey. Like, if it's not like a low V-neck, but it's like just perfect. Like, it's just a little bit of something back there. Like, just a little V in the back. Super cute, y'all. Like I said, but the only thing about it is short. If this was long, like the Heather Gray, this would probably be my favorite as well. But this sweater also feels, it feels a little bit thicker than the other two that I tried on. Definitely a little bit thicker, definitely like a little bit warmer. Like, I don't know if it's because I'm moving around, but this definitely feels warm and cozy. So this is another 2 thumbs up. Back with sweater number 4. So, plain black sweater, y'all. Everybody has got to have one in their wardrobe. Like, you just gotta have a plain black sweater for the not the summer, the fall or the winter time, y'all. This is it. Sleeves is looking great. Okay, there we go. All right, yeah, so sleeves is looking great. This is a longer one, so y'all know I love that. Y'all know I love a longer sweater. This one is feeling comfy as well. The quality, y'all, I'm really shocked by the quality of these sweaters. Like I told y'all, I paid like $60 and some change for all 5 of these sweaters, which is not bad at all. And I can't even remember my first purchase from Boohoo, but I'm always like a little bit sketchy about like some of, you know, the like these online stores and stuff like that. But I am pleased. I am pleasantly pleased. So this black one, plain black one, the neck part, it's like a wide neck. Like, it isn't high in the back. I mean, it isn't low in the back. It isn't low in the front. It just gives you just something chic up in the front. Just a little, hey, how you doing? Like, I got a little skin for you. That's all I can give you. Just a little skin, a little you know what I mean? So yeah, this is great. It's comfy. It's all black. Like, I have on the same pair of jeans. I haven't been changing my jeans with the sweater looks. I just have on a pair of light blue jeans, but black tops or black sweaters with light blue jeans. Oh my God, my favorite. I love it. Like, I really don't care for dark jeans with black tops. Like, I love the light jean and the black top look. Super cute. You can get, depending on where you live, you can have some really like distressed or ripped jeans with this, some cute boots, you know, maybe some boots with some like pizzazz on it. Because it is black, you probably, you know, if you're gonna go out or gonna go somewhere, you want to kind of dress it up. You can definitely wear some big earrings. You know, you can put a vest on, like I said, some ripped jeans with it. Get you some like booties, like black booties with maybe like some silver studs or something on it. Like dress this up. Like since you have a plain black canvas here, dress it up. Like that's the beauty of why everyone needs like a plain black sweater in their wardrobe. But yep, this one, 2 thumbs up as well. So yes, I'm loving the color, I'm loving the stripes, I'm loving the 90 look, I'm loving the fit. Y'all, this is like a it's kind of off the shoulder in the front. It's long enough. It's not a long sweater in the front. I don't know if y'all can see, but it's long enough. But it's not like how the black one or the heather gray one is that I just love. Like it's not gonna go down past your butt or past your hips. Yeah, but so let me just give y'all the biggest detail about this sweater. Is this right here has the knot in the back, and do I love it. Like you will get so many compliments on this sweater. And you would think that like how it's shaped or how like I'm wearing it, that it would look uncomfortable, or like you'll be pulling it up, or you would be tugging on it or whatever. But no, like it's on and it just fits. Like what I also love about this, y'all, I told y'all, you know, like people like me, they got the tatas. You can still wear a bra with this. Like I have on a strapless bra. No, I didn't put on my strapless bra, but when I wear this, I will probably wear a strapless bra. I just pulled my straps down just for the sake of this video, but you can still wear a bra with it. It's tata friendly. It's winter friendly. I mean, the neck is open, so again, you got room to play with if you wanted to have a statement necklace, if you wanted to wear some bigger, chunkier earrings. Short hair with this will look fabulous. I mean, long hair too, but like the hair that like stops like right here looks so cute to me with like stuff that's like off the shoulder or something like that. So super cute, y'all. I don't know out of all of these sweaters which one is my favorite. I may want to say this one and the heather gray one. Just because of the comfort. Like I'm all about cute, which is this, but I'm also all about comfort, which is that heather gray, honey. So yes, so let me know what y'all think about these sweaters. Let me know if y'all already buy from Boohoo and what y'all love about it, or what do y'all have, what outfits y'all want to see me get. I mean, let me know in the comments below. Like I said, 5 sweaters, $60, boohoo.com, 2 thumbs up. I will order from them again, and until my next video, thanks for watching, y'all. God bless y'all. Love y'all.